Alright, hey crazy jammers, this is your crazy bean king leader or queen. What's a queen? Sorry about that. Nature Art Wave, if you haven't heard the news, there's 5 days left to get them, and I'm pretty excited, and I look pretty snazzy, and I'll never trade them away. And that's what I'm really fascinated about. Excuse yourself, would you please hurry up? Oh, finally, you going to click on it again? I see. I love these. They're so well, I love that Phantom one. Let's go ahead and buy that one. Oh my gosh. And, you're not working for me when I'm trying to do a video? Oh, yes. Oh, congratulations, Logan. I want this. I buy this another one too. Let's check out this one. Actually, did I miss any? Don't think so. But I want to make sure. No. Yes. No. Maybe. Let's go put that in my den. We're burning. I have a new den. If you haven't been to it yet, but I think nobody has been to it. It kind of stinks. I shook the shovel. And then outside, I slept as little and play as a turns into my screen. I'm sorry guys, but I don't know what HRWs are because I was not in the beta or whenever they came out. I kinda joined 2 years ago when Amateur was still kinda processing from the beta. I was there I wanna say I joined 3 years ago now, but the new year just started up. And so that's what I'm gonna say, but really, if you're not counting the new year, I've been here 2 years. And I think when I joined the beta, it has just finished. Because I don't want to be part of the beta, it doesn't sound like it. And the beta did not sound good to me. I mean, sure, you'll have all your items, but you'll never get them off your animal. I really like Nature Artspace because you can go through them. And there's water flowing or whatever you want them to be. I wish we still had lava though, because that was kind of pretty cool. But now we have this random blossom. Right at home, peeps. Right at home. I give away my Phantom pets, so I don't have that anymore. It's Phantom 2 right here. Like that right there. I'm playing Tool tonight. I use this thing because I have a Phantom. I noticed I'm kind of hit. I have a Phantom whenever I'm playing. I usually use that or this. I'm not a serious roleplayer. I'm not bites off head or whatever. No. Listen. Clan, but I don't go serious. Or Castle. Castle is a good one. Here's Castle right now. First, somebody in Phantoms getting out of pension. I just want to join them. We're having a pack of Phantoms, right? A pack. A pack. Pancakes are so good. So I need to is
Did your pancakes get out?
I'm eating my pancakes and recording.
Oh.
That was the worst train. But look, this place is pretty. Here comes another pancake. Be ready, guys. Told you, Ma. So yeah, those archways are pretty neat. I'm surprised they didn't have a newspaper for that. In 5 days? Really? You give us 5 days for archways? You're suburban man will have an archway. I even remember not to remember. You're suburban man needs one. Gift her. Oh, she's not a member. Don't gift her. We should go again and so play again. Play again. I said that in my first video. My first video are never clean. Never, 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 never. Never. I made a video for another channel, but I never uploaded it, so I guess I won't have 2 channels. My other channel will just be unboxing things from Amazon and crafts and stuff. So if you're interested in crafts, head on over to that channel. And maybe some Amazon crafts next time. There's no go AJ Crafts. No, I'm kidding. That's not gonna work. No, I don't like Princess. Oh, okay, you don't eat my pancakes. I want to see him. Okay, finally. Let's watch it. I mean, we finally have a new video. It's raining outside in Florida. Yes, I do live in Florida, everybody. I'm sorry, my private information is okay. But I'm gonna find if all of those houses out there. No, not time. But I bet since I only get like 6 views, that I'm not gonna get found. Oh gosh. Jam. Even this wasn't so glitchy. Let's see it work. I mean, that couldn't be doing glitchy. Wait, there's an angle. Yeah, I like that. Infinity Flash Rose. Infinity Flash Rose. Whatever. I can look it up. Infinity Flash Rose. Infinity Flash Rose. Infinity Flash Rose. No. Infinity Flash Rose. What? Okay, we're already home, so we can see Shane any more wonderful art. We've done most of the best art now. Science has proven it. This really has potential. Right here. So, yeah, nature archways. Let's go. And I mean, they're cool. They're awesome. That's a big playback. I mean, to the beta or whenever they came out, people wanted them. And have they been getting them? No. Pepper has them. I know she does. That's because she's been playing for a long time. Okay, people who've played for a long time have them. That's Launch Game Jam. The longer you played, the more rare items you have. You're more experienced. You know hacks because you looked up videos for a longer time. You haven't always had Julian Tip or a part. You've had some people before that and they've quit. But they were good. So appreciate that. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.